Today we'll be learning about how to add email on Facebook. For that, you'll be required to open the Facebook application on your device, then tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now here, tap on the gear icon at the top, and now tap on See More in Account Center. After that, scroll down and under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Here, you need to tap on Contact Info. Since we don't have any email here, you need to tap on Add New Contact and choose on Add Email option. After that, you need to enter a new email address here that you want to add on Facebook. Once you enter the email address on this section, you will be required to choose accounts for this email. So let's tap on the Facebook and now tap on the next button. So it notifies that the email address you enter is already in use on another Facebook account. So make sure that you cannot enter the same email address that you have used on another account. So you need to use different email address here. So once you enter the new email address, you will be taken to this page where you need to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email that you have just entered. So once you enter the confirmation code, you will be required to tap on the next button and you will be taken to the other page, and you need to follow the on-screen prompts and you can easily add the new email address on your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.